right, let's take a look at our sight words for lesson 24 this week. As always, on a Monday, we start by reading them, spelling them, and writing them. So go get your whiteboards, markers, and eraser, and get ready for the first word. Our first word is began. Say it with me. Began. Now spell it. B-E-G-A-N. Began. Go ahead and write it on your board. Our next word is here. Say it again. Here. Now spell it with me. H-E-R-E. Here. Go ahead and write it on your board. The word here is a homophone, which means there is more than one word that sounds exactly the same, but they're spelled differently and have different meanings. This here means I am sitting right here in my chair. Our next word is without. Say it again. Without. Now let's spell it. W-I-T-H-O-U-T. Without. Go ahead and write that word on your board. Without is a compound word. It's made up of two smaller words put together. The two smaller words are with and out. Our next word is surprised. Say it again. Surprised. Let's spell it. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. Surprised. Go ahead and write that word on your board. Remember that ed ending at the end of the word surprised means it happened in the past. So the base word is surprise, and then that ed ending is added to make it mean it's happening in the past tense. Our next word is there. Say it again. There. Let's spell it. T-H-E-R-E. There. Go ahead and write it on your board. The word there is also a homophone. There's actually 3 different ways to spell the word there. They all sound the same, but they each have a different meaning. You've seen T-H-E-I-R, there, which means it belongs to somebody. You've seen T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, the contraction that stands for they and are. And then we have this word, T-H-E-R-E, there, like I am going there. Our next word is earth. Say it again, earth. Now let's spell it. E-A-R-T-H, earth. Go ahead and write it on your board. Normally when we hear the word earth, we think of the planet Earth. But if this was the planet Earth, the E would be capitalized because it would be a proper noun naming a specific place. The word earth with the lowercase e is talking about earth like the soil or the dirt. Our next word is brothers. Say it again, brothers. Now let's spell it. B-R-O-T-H-E-R-S, brothers. Go ahead and write that on your board. The word brothers is a plural noun. By adding the S to the base word brother, we turned it into a plural, which means there's more than one. Our next word is away. Say it again, away. Now spell it. A-W-A-Y, away. Go ahead and write it on your board. Away is an interesting word because the first A makes the schwa sound like and then the long A sound is spelled with A-Y at the end, away. The next word is brown. Say it again, brown. Now spell it. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Go ahead and write it on your board. Remember, brown is a color word, so it's an adjective. It describes something. Our next word is learning. Say it again, learning. Now let's spell it. L-E-A-R-N-I-N-G, learning. Go ahead and write that on your board. Looking at the word learning, I see a smaller word learn. That's my root or base word. By adding that ing ending, I'm turning it into a verb that's happening now in the present tense. Hopefully you are learning these sight words right now. All right, so just a reminder, make sure you practice these words once a day. If you've forgotten about some of the different ideas that we usually use to practice these words, you can use boxing, snap and clap, Rocketship, body spelling, cheerleaders, and you can even take your time and spell the words out using beans, pasta, or Play-Doh, or any other kind of neat material that you have at home. Send me some pictures if you want, or some videos. I can't wait to see them.